welcome back to BMW Fanatic. In this video, I'm just gonna share some insight as far as what you should do when you have a check engine light or a service engine light just pop up on your dash. Let's say you're driving along and it just pops right up and you may freak out and you're not for sure what's going on. Listen to this video. Now, if you have MHD or JB4, go ahead and clear that code out right away. See what it is, take documentation of it, do a little screenshot on your phone, whatever that you have, or tablet. Do a screenshot of it and then go ahead and erase that code. Okay, after you look on that, as far as let's say JB4 MHD, take another scan tool and read the same car. See what else comes up. Now those two things are gonna read certain codes, but I'm trying to get at even more of a deeper into the BMW system. So I highly recommend ProTool. It will look at all those different BMW systems that those other two tune-based items are not gonna check on. So ProTool did a nice review of it. Check out the video up here at the top. See what that says. Or having IMPA, if you have that downloaded, check that out. You'll have a lot of times to where if you just clear out the codes, they will never come back again. Just clear them out, see what comes back. Whatever comes back, clear them again, and then see what comes up. If that same item comes up as far as that fault code, then you know to further do research on it. Now, depending on what that fault code is, Google is definitely a very nice tool, to be honest with you. There is quite a bit of information of all these codes that are out there because this platform has been out here for a long, long time. A lot of people have experienced things 10 years ago that you're just now experiencing. So I highly suggest take those codes, look them up in Google, see what spits out, and then kind of go from there. Now, whatever that code may say, some people may have commented like on a forum saying, hey, this problem led to this and I replaced that and it fixed it. See if you see more things like that. So basically what I'm trying to get at is honing down on your problem and write out all your possible reasonings why you have that fault code, right? As far as like injectors, for example, if you have like fuel mixtures, O2 sensor readouts, you're gonna trigger multiple different sensors because you have one issue. You don't want to go and replace all these different things when you technically do not have to. So once you hone in on what you need to replace, then you're good to go. Now, once you do all that, you're now ready to go ahead and buy the parts that you need and replace the fault issue at hand. Meaning as soon as you replace that part and clear that code off again, that code will never come up again. Now, forewarning, it does really happen that you may replace other parts just to finally get to the root cause of the issue, just because that code was just not clear enough, or you have such a weird, quirky issue that it's gonna lead you to that. That's just a fact of life as far as the BMW goes. So, but doing your proper research, so instead of replacing 5 items, you're gonna replace only 2 items, and that still saves you money and still get down to the root cause. So guys, all I'm trying to say is take your problem, look further into it. Don't get too much in a hurry as far as replacing, buying all kinds of random parts, and it doesn't even fix the issue. You're causing more of a headache for yourself, and then you're trying to find other issues. Just take your time, research. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section below. I'd be more than happy to help you diagnose what codes you may have in and help point you in the right direction. All right guys, it does it for today. Big thumbs up the video, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll check you later, see ya.